What makes estate administration in a probate case such an essential process? The answer lies in the complex yet crucial task of managing and distributing a deceased individual's assets. This process, overseen by the probate court, ensures the lawful and orderly transfer of property from the departed to their rightful heirs or beneficiaries. Enter the executor or administrator, whose duties include managing the estate's assets, settling debts, and ultimately distributing the remaining assets to the heirs or beneficiaries. Their role is pivotal in steering the course of estate administration. The process begins with an inventory and appraisal of assets. The executor or administrator prepares a detailed list of the decedent's assets, which may include real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal property. These assets are then appraised to determine their fair market value as of the date of the decedent's death. Next comes the payment of debts and expenses. The executor or administrator reviews creditor claims, pays legitimate debts and disputes, or rejects invalid claims. These debts and expenses can range from funeral costs and administrative expenses to taxes and other outstanding bills. Once debts and expenses are settled, the distribution of assets can commence. The remaining assets are distributed according to the decedent's will, if one exists, or Illinois intestacy laws, if there is no will. The executor or administrator may need to get court approval for the distribution of assets and file a final accounting report detailing the estate administration process. In essence, estate administration in a probate case in Illinois is a series of legal and administrative tasks. The process is designed to manage the decedent's assets, settle their debts, and distribute their remaining assets to their heirs or beneficiaries, all while adhering to the laws and legal requirements of the state. It calls for meticulous attention to detail, strict observance of statutory deadlines, and compliance with court procedures, all to ensure a fair and orderly resolution of the decedent's estate. In summary, estate administration plays a crucial role in probate cases. From the responsibilities of the executor or administrator to the inventory and appraisal of assets, payment of debts and expenses, and the distribution of assets, each step is vital in the smooth and lawful transition of assets from the departed to their rightful heirs or beneficiaries. It's a process that requires skill, diligence, and most importantly, respect for the decedent's wishes or the state's intestacy laws.